What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. And today tonight I decided to take the screen off my phone. If you haven't seen the video of what happened to this, I'll roll the clip right now.
It's gone?
Yep. Are you freaking serious?
Can I just try? What are you
He's breaking my old phone. Oh my god, yes! 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 That was crazy. I've never done a video like this format, so it's kind of different. So what I'm gonna do is basically, I guess I'm gonna teach you how to take a basic idea of what to expect when moving a screen off of a phone. So in the back of every phone, there's, and on this phone anyway, is this and that. That's for the connector for the digitalizer, or whatever you want to call the damn thing, the LCD display. See, right there. Take that off. Now, what you want to do is, now since this screen's already damaged, I'm best just doing it. You're best doing it like this. I can get lifting up the screen like that. Here we go. Now that you got this screen up, what you want to do is you want to take your next tool. These are the proper tools to use, but they're almost the same. I'm gonna do that again. Lift up some more. I'm about to snap this in half. I don't want that thing. And well, you gotta get the basic idea of it. I mean, you do have. I'm just trying to get this thing off perfect as possible. Here we go. Take the digitalizer off. Digitalizer display. Connected like this with some super glue, adhesive glue. Adhesive glue is best. It's the best option because it's the proper things to use. Other places would probably use just like regular glue or super glue or something like that. No, you don't want that. You want the adhesive glue, which I don't have right now because I don't plan on buying this screen for a couple weeks. So I just do a how-to video on how to remove it. And there you go. You got the screen removed. See? This is the display. Or not the display, the digitalizer. This is what makes this thing work. Basically what it does. And then this is a LCD or liquid crystal display that creates what you see on your phone. And that's how, yeah. And so now what you want to do is you can just rip this off, rip the rest off. Kind of want to be careful because I do intend on getting this fixed and getting stuff on it and then destroying it later in a later video. But anyways. Now you I was digging too deep. Now, what I'm going to do is it's literally like liquid crystal in there. It's glued, it's super glued in there. It's like really strong glue. Or if you want to like carefully remove the screen, what you could do is get like a blow dryer and stuff or something and run on it, have it run onto it to melt the glue, and then you can just take the screen off. There we go, right here. What you want to do is, like I said, you just gotta take it off pretty much any way you want. I'm almost 18 now. Now, I'm gonna rip this off, but I'm gonna do it off cam because I don't want to get this stuff all over the place because I have no idea what it does. Here's the phone so far. That's the smart board, motherboard, whatever you want to call it. Here's the LCD or liquid crystal display. Here's on the back, also where it works and operates. Visualizer display. There you go. And most of the time when your phone cracks and the screen's still working fine, it's mainly the digitalizer that's damaged, not the display. So if you're, let's say your phone breaks, most mainly iPhones, unfortunately. What you can do is just get the LCD online, find a video on YouTube, and you can do it yourself. It's not that hard. It's very, very easy. The screens are like maybe $50-$60 on Amazon. Mine for this one's $40, and I found one for $26. I'm gonna plan on getting it in a couple weeks. But yeah, I'm almost done. I'm just gonna. And the exact model for this phone is a Samsung Galaxy J120A. Yeah, there we go. That's complete removal of this. Now if I had it just a second, can I do a complete tear down? No, I'm not doing a complete tear down because I have no idea how this phone is put together at the moment. But there you go. It's fixed. No, it's not fixed. But there you go. Taken apart. So you got the phone, the LCD or liquid crystal display, and the digitalizer, and don't forget the battery. This battery will be featured in an upcoming video soon. I have no idea when it will be. Well, I kind of have an idea. I have notes set up, notes for planning of videos for the next like 2 months. And I have, as I was saying, so again, this is the phone, obviously, of course, the liquid crystal display or LCD, battery, and the digitalizer. That's the key points of a phone. The parts that make the phone do what it has to do. This is just a smart board. It has all the memory and the coding and stuff. Everything else you need for it to work. Well, I mean, I've never seen a phone without the digitalizer before and actually work. So until I see that you need all these parts. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smack the like button, turn on subscribe, or turn on post notifications so you don't forget, so you don't miss another upload. Alright, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you did, and if you did, smack that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss another awesome video. I'm out. Peace.